What's good? Back at it again. This time I'm doing a remake to Jay-Z's Allure from the Black Album. So I'm gonna show y'all, hit y'all up how I did this one. I hit up the drum kits, did some research in all my drum kits, and came up with the drums and the pads and all that, and the little hits and hi-hats and all that. So this is each one of these. This is what it sounds like for the drums. This is just the drums, alright? You're gonna see what that sounds like. Which is right here. Here we go. Okay, you got the drums, and I got the strings. I got 3 strings on this one. Let's see what the strings I got. This mouse works right. I got that string, and that string. And what one sounds like is this. So what I did, I took that pattern and copied it to all 3 of them. So this is what it sounds like. Hold up. That's what it sounds like. Okay, that's that part. It is a different string. It's a different pattern. That's that one. It's a third pattern. Okay, then I got the bass and some sound effects bass. Even though it ain't working right now, but got the bass. Okay, you got the dance piano. Yeah, a different pattern for this one. That'll go good with the strings when it comes in. It's a different piano. Same piano, but different pattern, I mean. Excuse me. Okay. And you got the gunshots. It's not, just a couple of those. It's like that Lil Jon gunshot. Then this is what it sounds like all together. Okay, in the next video I'm gonna do them one by one and then add them all in and see how it sounds.